Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView on your Android phone. First, download the free TradingView application from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. The app offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, specifically designed for seamless mobile trading and analysis. You will find it straightforward to navigate and begin your trading journey right away, accessing powerful tools from your device. TradingView provides robust charting and analysis tools right at your fingertips. You can easily switch between various chart types, such as detailed candlesticks or clear bar charts, to visualize market data. The platform offers access to over 100 technical indicators, allowing for in-depth market analysis. Furthermore, you can employ a wide array of drawing tools, including trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, to identify key patterns and potential price movements effectively. Managing your investments is simple with TradingView's watch list feature. You can create and customize multiple watch lists to keep a close eye on your preferred stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. To ensure you never miss a crucial market move, set up real-time price alerts. These alerts will deliver instant notifications directly to your Android device, helping you react quickly to emerging trading opportunities and manage your portfolio efficiently, even on the go. Beyond its powerful tools, TradingView fosters a vibrant global community of millions of traders. You can actively engage by sharing your trading ideas, analyses, and insights, while also learning from the diverse perspectives of others. The platform also allows for extensive customization, enabling you to adjust chart settings, themes, and layouts to perfectly match your personal trading style and preferences, creating a truly personalized analytical environment on your Android phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.